Hey my guys, today we're gonna be playing Bee Swarm Simulator.
Oh my gosh, I got my first bee!
Oh yeah, I played this before. Yes. Okay. Make honey. Nothing, where's my, Oh, okay, there it is. Star jelly. Yes. Ooh. I'm rich now. I'm rich. Okay, I sped it up and it kind of sounds like out of a horror movie, so, I'm gonna kinda, slow it down a little. Bro, I'm so poor. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, I'm actually gonna speed it up again. So, here comes the horror movie sound. Okay, this is better. Got two bees. Just give me my honey. Mr. Bees, just give me my honey. Just give me my honey. I don't like that guy. That bear thing. Nope. But no, I'll wait. Ooh, what's going on over there? What is this? Don't mind if I do. Wants me to become Mickey for a moment.
Oh boy! I just hate this bear guy.
I'm sorry, I have to, guys. Gotta go. I'll be married a long time ago. Where did it come from? Where did it go? Where did it come from? Cotton Eye Joe. Okay, I grinded for a bit, and, yeah. I got a few bees, and I used some royal jelly on them. And, yes. So I got all these items, and I got no stickers. Oh, yeah. Bro, how are these guys this rich? Where do they get these bees? I know there's like this ticket thing over here. Yeah, that's all the bees I have. Anyway, there's this like ticket thing over here, and I have like 5 of them, and I can't get anything. Got this photon bee, Fessa bee, and then yeah, you guys should play Bee Swarm. It's really fun.